What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's get right into it, man. What we got here is one of the most creative shoes of the year so far. Not the biggest fan of the technical model, but the creativity and the details are there for sure. And let's start with this box, bro. Got an all red box with roses printed throughout the box. Got the gold swoosh with the thorns on it. The size of the box says, from the concrete grew a rose. If you're not already knowing, man, this is the TEYANA Taylor Jordan 1. It says T right here on the side of the box on the lid. And just getting with the packaging, man, it's definitely one of the best packaging we've seen on a Jordan 1. They really let her do her thing as far as creativity. I wish they would have gave her a regular Jordan 1 high, bro. But getting into that label, man, the tag reads Women's Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air Comfort 2 SP for special projects. Gem red, black, and summit white. This is a size 7 women. I grabbed these joints from FLYEERR this morning. Inside the box, it just explains what's the difference between a regular Jordan 1 and what makes this a Zoom Air Jordan 1. Just some different hits on the midsole, on the upper, kind of more deconstructed. And like I said, it's made for comfort. It says it in the name. The box paper is the white wax box paper, and it looks like it has roses throughout the paper as well. Now let's get into the shoes, man. Let's get into it. Now here we have the TEYANA Taylor Jordan 1, man. This is a comfort, like I said earlier. Details are there, materials are there. But let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. Starting with that toe box, man. The first change you can see is they went from the regular circles and holes in the toe box, and they went with X's on here. Getting into that swoosh, it's an embroidered red swoosh going all the way around both sides, representing the rose, and it has the green thorns in there as well. Has some smooth black tumbled leather back here, really soft, some nice materials. Has that red color blocking going across the top of the shoe, going across the eye stays, and the front of the toe as well. Pure white on that midsole. The outsole is in a yellow foam with the zoom unit you can see through the bottom. Red translucent around the ring of the outsole, and it has roses right there in the back of the heel. The details on here are super crazy, man. Getting into the tongue tag, you can see it is the Nike on the tongue tag, and it has the thorns for a rose on there as well, man. Super dope details. You can see that stitching is really, really nice, man. Really thick embroidered swoosh. Some nice embroidered thorns on there as well, man. Some really soft white leather. This is kind of like giving me the vibes of that DJ Khaled leather that we saw on his Jordan 5. That was some crazy, crazy leather. Now going across the collar of the shoe, man, you see it has that cracked upper, just looking something similar to like the Lost and Founds, but it's in white instead of that black cracked material. It is a white material. And going right here on the inside of the flap, it says a rose. On the inside of the other shoe, it says from Harlem, man. It's kind of tied down, but we'll get into that in a minute. Now this shoe did come with yellow laces, factory installed, man. It matches that yellow going across the bottom. It's a nice hit. Not my favorite lace option with this shoe, but I feel it. It does look good. It does match that bottom really well. Just a pop of color. Getting to the inside of the shoe, man, it has a gold Nike swoosh printed on the insole with the thorns, and it's a red insole. White leather going all the way across the inside of the sock liner as well, man. So some really nice materials, bro. Really nice quality. They did their thing on these, bro. But if this joint was a regular Jordan 1 high, these joints would have went crazy 1000%, bro. 1000%. Now getting into the left shoe, man, it is a little different from that white one, man. They went with an oversized swoosh right here. You can see like the zigzag stitching going across the front and going across the top and all the way around the back of that swoosh. It is stitched in all the way around except for on the bottom of the swoosh where it does have a message. It says the last on the bottom of the swoosh, and it says rose right there. So the last rose, man. She has a couple of hidden messages on this shoe, man. Getting to the tongue tag, it does say T for TEYANA, man. They really let her do her thing on these joints, man. I just wish it was a Jordan 1 high. As far as the lace accessories, man, they went with the big Dubré on these joints, man. It's a big metal red rose with the TT, the big T, little T for TEYANA Taylor. This is like one of the nicest lace Dubrés that I've seen. Super heavy, really nice quality. And this joint is clean for sure, bro. I kind of want to keep this part before I let these joints go, but I'm gonna go ahead and let whoever takes these joints Get all the accessories that come with it. Now this joint does come with the Nike hang tag with the Jordan sign on the backside. Just explaining the comfort there. It comes with the extra set of black laces and the extra set of red laces with the gold tips on them. I probably would go red laces with these, maybe black, either red or black, definitely not the yellow if you're asking me personally, but I'll either go red or black, man. Just some solid materials. They gave her plenty of accessories. Let her do her thing, man. And retail on these joints were 150 bucks. As far as resale right now, the smaller sizes, maybe like women's 5 through women's 7, 7.5, is like around 200 bucks. But some of those bigger sizes, those men's sizes, are going for 300, 350 bucks right now. I'm not sure if those prices will stay there. I'm not sure if people are just on the hype because they're kind of limited. But I think that price is gonna come down some. Not sure how much, but it will drop down some for sure. Now on the side panels of both shoes, man, they did have the X's on the inside of there as well. And it has the same swoosh going all the way around with the zigzag stitching. It's not stitched down at the bottom of the swoosh, but it is stitched down going all the way across the back. Has the nice soft brown leather that's just the same as the other shoe as well, man. And the quality is there, bro. It's just, if this was a regular Jordan 1 high, hate to be that guy, bro, but if this was a Jordan 1 high, everyone would have went crazy over these for sure. And a lot of people would have been trying to wear them rather than just grabbing them for the price tag that they're going for in the aftermarket. Now another difference with the Jordan 1 Zoom, man, if you can look and see on the inside of the sock liner, they do have cutouts right there. And I guess that's just for like fitting right around your ankle. They want the shoe to be as comfortable as possible. And they did a lot of changes on these joints for sure, man. This outsole is super soft. This yellow part is a foam-ish material. It's not like the rubber outsole that we usually get. So, I mean, I definitely can see these joints being very, very, very comfortable, man. The insoles feel comfortable as well, man. So I can see this joint being a good everyday go-to shoe for the ladies, man. They did come out in extended men's sizes, but my local FLYEER biggest they had was a 12, if I'm not mistaken. So, you know, it is what it is, but this is what we got right here, bro. And I think these joints are dope for sure. Now, as far as QC on these joints, man, the materials are there. I don't see any flaws with stitching or any glue stains or anything like that. So Nike did a really good job, man. They executed on what I believe to be was her vision. They executed it really well, man. And they brought everything to life, bro. TEYANA Taylor always talks about being a rose from the concrete. She's from New York, she's from Harlem. So the concrete jungle, she says she's a rose from the concrete. And this shoe really embodies what TEYANA Taylor considers herself as, for sure, 100%. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing of this TEYANA Taylor Air Jordan 1. It's a Zoom Comfort, man. It's not an OG cut, but still a dope shoe. Nice color blocking, really, really clean materials. Leave me a comment down below, man. Let me know your honest opinion on these. Are you checking for them? You paying resale for these? Was it retail or bust? Just let me know your honest opinion down below, man. I want to hear it. And just let me know how you guys are feeling. But until next time on the next video, man, we got the TEYANA Taylor Air Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort. Peace.